One good expression, duck, montage. Happy? Wow, look at that. Very expressive. Another character for flip face models, customs that probably we can start making anytime soon. I'm not really into the flip face thing yet, but we're working on the faces, and since we can make this really fast, thanks God, we can make this really fast. We can start processing and making these expressions real quick. Um, so the next step could be the flip face mechanism, which is very easy, fast. So we just standardize one model, so we don't have to adjust every time for different characters. But so far, so good. Duck, it's looking good. I like this expression. Very good. What's your opinion? Montage.